Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your nails longer using PolyGel. For gel nail starters looking to add some length, PolyGel is the go-to option because it's very easy to apply, gives your nails that extra length, and leaves them looking beautifully polished. PolyGel is different from regular gel because it's more like clay. This means that it won't drip and you'll get a nice solid finish. It's perfect for first-timers trying to add some length, so please keep watching until the end. Okay, let's get started. First, let's talk a bit about PolyGel. PolyGel is an innovative nail product that combines the hardness and durability of acrylic with the softness and shine of gel. It's harder and sturdier than regular gel, making it perfect for lengthening nails. PolyGel is highly recommended, especially for beginners who want longer nails, because it's a product that is easy to handle, even for beginners. Squeeze out some PolyGel onto a nail tip, pop it onto your own nail, and then cure it with a light. Take off the tip, shape it a bit, and you've achieved that salon-style length in a flash. For this PolyGel, the curing time is the same as regular gel at just 1 minute with an LED light or 2 minutes with a UV one. I'll now show you these tips that go hand in hand with PolyGel. These are called dual foams and are different from nail tips used for designing. They have markings to make lengthening easier, and you apply PolyGel or builder gel on the inside to use it. Let's jump right in and start lengthening those nails with PolyGel. First, use a ceramic pusher to gently remove cuticles by rotating at the base of the nail. Then, use a file to shorten the white part of the nail that has grown, keeping it as short as possible. Keeping it short is important because having it too long can get in the way of the application. After shortening the nails, lightly file the surface. Creating scratches on the surface helps the PolyGel to adhere better. Once you are done with cuticle care and filing the tips and surface, use some kitchen paper soaked in ethanol to wipe off any oils on the nail surface. Now, the preparation is complete. We'll now apply the base gel. Apply the base gel with short up and down strokes, ensuring it works its way into the scratches on the nail surface, as this guarantees better adhesion and longevity. Once done applying to the entire nail, cure it. Next, choose a tip that fits your own nail. When choosing a tip, go for a size that covers the entire width of your nail. Note that slightly larger works better than one that is too small. Look from the side and above to choose a tip that covers the entire width of your nail. I've also done a tutorial video on how to create a baby boomer style using PolyGel, so be sure to check it out in the description. Once you've chosen a tip that fits your nail width, cut the base of the tip to match the shape of your own nail. You can either file it or cut it with nail clippers. It's up to you. Now, the preparation of the tip is complete. Next, apply the PolyGel to the inside of the tip. Squeeze some PolyGel out from the tube onto the inside of the prepared tip. You can add more later, so just start with a little. Then, prepare a small container with ethanol in it, and soak the oval brush in the ethanol. Using the brush soaked in ethanol, carefully spread the gel. If you don't wet the brush, the gel may stick to it, so make sure it's wet enough before spreading. Aim for a thickness that is roughly equivalent to 1 to 2 credit cards. Now, place this tip onto your own nail. Start by positioning the base of the tip about 1 mm away from the base of your nail. Then, gently tilt the tip towards the tip of your nail, just like rocking a seesaw. Once the entire tip adheres to the nail, slowly push it towards the base of the nail. Let go of your hand. If you see polygel oozing from the base or sides of the tip, grab a brush dipped in ethanol and wipe it away. Also, check the back side of the tip and spread the polygel evenly. Once there are no leaks at the base or sides, cure it for 1 minute with a LED light. After curing, we'll remove the tip. Hold the tip of the nail extension and give it a gentle twist to the left and right to remove the nail tip. It should pop right off like this. Before shaping with the file, take a piece of kitchen paper soaked in ethanol and wipe away any sticky uncured gel left on the nail surface. Once you've wiped off the uncured gel, use a file to shape it into your desired shape. After shaping, give the surface of the nail a lightly filing until it's just slightly cloudy. If possible, I recommend using a file of this type with a sponge in between. This is because even though you've created a beautiful form with nail tip, you want to avoid filing too much in running the shape. Also, the filing at this stage is similar to when applying the base coat. It helps to enhance the bond with the next layer of gel, so it's okay if it gets a bit cloudy. After finishing filing, dampen a piece of kitchen paper with ethanol and wipe away the filing residue. For the final touch, apply a top coat to finish. Once you've finished applying it all over, cure it. And this completes it. I lengthened with clear on the index finger, dusty pink on the middle finger, and clear beige on the ring finger. Plus, there's plenty of strength. I tested by some pressure on the nails, and they've become really strong and sturdy. How did you find this video showing you how to use polygel? Anyone, even beginners, can effortlessly achieve beautiful long nails, so give it a go and see for yourself. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the good button. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.